Welcome back to my morning point analysis videos on Monday 23rd of July with me, Rich, pre-market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at euro dollar, which has ticked higher. It's sort of broken through to the upside of this little downtrend channel. But again, it sort of just shows that every time you sort of get any sort of move that looks like it's driving a little bit of conviction, you get a contradictory outlook the next day. So you've had this strong bull candle on Friday. Euro is gaining, and again we've now just unwound and lost 20 pips to the downside, and it sort of reflects the fact that, look at the RSI, for example, between 45 and 55 for the last 2 weeks. That is very neutrally configured. MACD line is basically flat for the last 2 weeks. Stochastics have ticked up to reflect the last couple of days, but again, nothing really doing in terms of conviction. 1720 was an old pivot area. I've sort of taken that out now because it's sort of traded through that a few times. But around 38.2% fibs, 1735, again, a basis of sort of consolidation area rather than hard and fast rule. But it's 1790 really, which is the key level near term. That was the high a couple of weeks ago. And if you break through that, you're looking at 1850 again, but to be honest, I'm not really all that hopeful of a breakthrough that anytime soon. You've now got 1570 as your basis of support from Thursday's low. Again, that's a minor higher low above the key support, 1505. But again, sort of reflecting in this hourly chart whereby you've got very much sort of mixed outlook, pretty untidy looking chart. With the momentum indicators that are just sort of oscillating really higher and lower. So it's difficult to sort of pick the mid-range levels to really sort of get long and short at, but I mean, I suppose you could argue that around the sort of 1670, 1675 area there's a basis of support there, assuming you can see that a bit better, with this sort of old breakout, little bit of a pivot area of support around this level as well. So yeah, 1670, 1675, maybe start to look for longs again as this as the sort of momentum indicators just unwind again. But yeah, still pretty messy on euro dollar. With that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.